Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change autofocus beep volume on Fujifilm camera. To do this, we'll need to click on Menu, then scroll all the way down to the wrench icon, enter User Settings, and right here on the bottom, not bottom page, so wait, let me go back to the top. Now we need to scroll down and locate autofocus beep volume. It should be on the second page of user settings, and here you can adjust it using the 3 different options, or simply turn it off. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.